Have you ever thought of typing and getting paid from your phone or laptop? The best part is that it doesn't require any experience or degree of capital to start. Also, you can type as much as you want and make as much as you want. There is no limit to doing this. Therefore, this will be a good way of earning more money. For this task, you can either use your laptop or your phone. In this video, I'll show you how to make money by typing. And the good news is you don't need to invest a single penny because it's completely free. You can use this way to earn money regardless of where you are in the world. Now let's start with the main website for this video. The website is called TalentDesire.com. With Talent Desire, you can work at home. There are no technical skills required. So how do you feel about joining in on this method? Simply be sure to watch this video all the way through to the conclusion, so you don't miss any single detail about how to make money online. And if you watch this video until the end, I will show you a bonus way, so that you can maximize your earning. But first, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell, so that whenever I upload a new video or new methods to make money online, you'll be the first to know about the strategy. Also hit the like button if you're enjoying this video. They make it easy to connect you with popular employers and begin doing work from home. Once you can access their website, you'll see that you may start your ideal profession right now by working with well-known brands and companies all over the world. You may generate money online without ever leaving your house or investing a single penny. Let's take a look around it. Now, as we browse down to the main homepage, we can see that there are a plethora of job categories available to you, like online proofreading, freelance blogging, language translation, online paid surveys, content writing, affiliate marketing, medical transcription, online typing, and online teaching. For the purpose of this video, let's simply concentrate on one thing, which is making money online by typing. It will also provide you with easy money, because you may earn money online in just 60 minutes. Now click on the Online Typing Jobs button and you will land on this page where you can learn more about what you'll be doing and what the job requires. So after you get this page, you'll notice that they're looking for a typist to do some typing. There are no minimal entrance requirements for word processing work for international clients, but you can learn more about the basics right here. As you scroll down, you'll see this value, which is the website's top salary, which ranges from $13,500 to $27,000 per year. You can even go higher as your talents and expertise increase. But don't worry, I'll be right here with you, so there's no need to be concerned, as long as you follow exactly what I show you. I recommend that you go to the website called Ratatype.com. Ratatype is a simple and convenient online typing tutor for everybody who wants to type better. It will help you to master the skill of typing to raise your earnings significantly. This website allows you to learn to type faster and take free typing classes. Ratatype supports learning fast typing in different layouts and languages. You can also take an online typing test to determine your typing speed. You can also use a typing instructor to accelerate your learning and improve crucial keyboarding abilities. So you might be wondering why I directed you to this page. Well, since I want to assist you, I want you to have all the necessary tools and high-quality abilities to complete your job successfully on TalentDesire.com. You can earn a certificate from Ratatype that you can use as supporting documentation for your application, making you a stronger candidate to work with Talent Desire. All you have to do is click on this button right here that says Start Typing Now. After that, continue typing the words on your screen as quickly and accurately as possible. But keep in mind that you should be able to achieve a highly satisfactory score of 98 to be accepted much more quickly. You will almost certainly be accepted if they notice that you are an excellent typist. If you don't receive a 98 on your first try based on a quick peek at your application, don't panic. You have complete freedom to take the test as many times as you want until you get that 98. Don't give up. Simply keep practicing until you achieve the desired result. You can now view and download your certificate by creating a free account. All you have to do is click on this Sign Up button, then simply provide your first and last name, email address, and password. After that, check the boxes to agree to their terms of service and privacy policy. Then click the Sign Up button and make sure to complete this stage because your certificate will definitely transform your life, so simply follow this instruction. You may save your certificate in any format you want and then submit it to Talent Desire. Now you know what Talent Desire is all about, and you're the type certificate to prove that you're a certified typewriter in the English language. Now let's get started on our application for a typing position with talentdesire.com. Returning to the online typing jobs website, scroll all the way down to the bottom and click on the red button that says Apply Now. Following that, you will be taken to this page where you can see the very important information on how to set up a career as an online typist. All you have to do now, starting with step 1, is choose an application form and fill it out correctly. So simply click this link to be directed to another page where you may choose which path to take for this video. I want you to pick this online one right here where you can apply entirely online, since, as I mentioned before, you will no longer have to leave the comfort of your own home. So sit back and relax while we continue the application process. On this page, you can now complete the form by checking this Accept box to indicate that you agree with the website's privacy policy. After that, simply fill in your basic and personal information in these boxes, and that's all. After you've completed those fields, tell them about your professional background by typing your preferred job title in the online job typing box. Next, choose the best time for you to present your services. Then simply go to PayPal or whichever method you like to collect your cash, and then pick your current profession status. Now that you're halfway to the finish line, click this box that says, Yes, I have read and accepted the preceding statement. Finally, complete the CAPTCHA and fix your signature by putting your full name in this box, and that's it. You're ready to start generating big bucks on this website by pressing the Submit button. Now I will show you some bonus website so that you can maximize your earning. Now let's get started. Our bonus website is called squadhelp.com. This is a naming website. It allows business owners who are looking for a name for their website, app, online course, or even their company, and it allows them to submit this request, and then people can submit their ideas, and then one that gets picked gets paid. Here you can see they have over 25,000 plus customers. This is the world's largest platform for company naming and branding. They have been committed to disrupting the traditional agency model. Their success is attributed to an amazing community of 70,000 plus freelance naming experts and our ongoing focus on innovation. Their platform offers much more than a typical crowdsourcing experience. From machine learning to audience testing to comprehensive trademark validation. Their naming competitions start at $299, and their logo design competitions start at $299. Also, there are 3 additional contest levels that each offer more features and benefits. They handle creative payouts via PayPal or Payoneer. Depending upon your country of residence, they may require additional documentation to verify your identity, as well as your tax status. If you type Squad Help reviews on Google, you will find so many reviews. Here you can see on Trustpilot, they have a 4.7-star review. So this is a legitimate website. Now all you have to do is hover on the account and click on this Sign Up button. Once you do that, you will land on this page. Simply fill up your first name, last name, display name, email address, and password. Confirm your password. Click on this Join as a Creative or Marketplace Seller. Then click on this Create Account button right here, and you are good to go. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to click that subscribe button with the notification bell if you don't want to miss our upcoming videos.